everybody and welcome back to Wandsworth, to Crumbs and Doilies HQ. Now there is big news on the block because today we launched our brand new cookie kit, which is the Oatmeal Raisin, and it is absolutely delicious. It's my new favorite cookie, it's Gemma's favorite cookie, we all adore it. And you can head over to cupcakejemma.com now to grab yourself one. And also on Thursday, I'll be showing you how to bake these yourself, giving you all the details you need to make these delicious cookies. So maybe you want to bake along, so go and buy yours now so that it's ready for Thursday. But we've been so busy getting all of this ready for you guys that I haven't had an awful lot of time to do much filming for you. So I thought today I would just share one of my all-time absolute top secret treats. These delicious maple pecans. They are honestly, like, I mean, standing here not being able to eat them is like torture. They are so good. They're going to transform all your brownies, your cookies. You can just put them on ice cream. To be honest, I like to just sit at home watching Netflix, eating a bowl of them because they are that good. They're really quick and easy to make. Only about 5 ingredients, so I'm going to show you how to do them. So what we're going to do first is melt together a few ingredients. So I have got the all-important maple syrup here, which I just think, oh, it's one of life's greatest inventions. Don't think we invented it. Anyway, 80 grams of that is going into a saucepan. And if you don't know how you get maple syrup out of trees, then please YouTube it because it's honestly the most amazing thing. They literally put taps in trees with pipes between trees. It's incredible. Anyway, into our maple syrup, we're going to add 15 grams of butter. It can be salted or unsalted. And finally, we're going to go with half a teaspoon of salt, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, because I think cinnamon, maple and pecans are a match made in heaven. But if you really don't like cinnamon, then by all means leave this part out. And what we're going to do is just put that over very low heat on the hob, just till the butter has melted. All you're doing here is melting the butter. Don't worry, we're not kind of caramelizing anything. And once your butter's melted, we're going to put in 200 grams of whole pecans. And it already smells heavenly, so now we're just going to bake them. So I've got a baking tray here lined with a little bit of greaseproof paper, and that's just so it doesn't stick to the pan, so really important to do that. We're going to pour them out onto the pan, and then I'm just spreading them out a little bit with my spatula or a wooden spoon or something. And now we're going to put them in the oven at 170 for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm just going to give them a little bit of a stir and leave them in for a further 5. Okay, so they've had their first 10 minutes and you can see they're looking nice and toasty. So I'm just going to give them a little stir around with my spatula just to make sure that we are cooking them nice and evenly. So just a brief stir, spread them back out again, and then we're going to put them back in for another 5 minutes. Okay, so they are out of the oven. They are obviously incredibly hot, so please do not eat these just yet. I'm just going to gently break my pecans up with my spatula, and then we need to let them cool down. If you want to eat them warm, then just let them cool down for like 10-15 minutes, or you can let them cool down completely to put in cookies or brownies, or simply just to eat. They're like all toasty, they're kind of chewy. They're going to stick to your teeth a little bit. They are the perfect pick-me-up treat. I literally adore these, so you're welcome. So please come back on Thursday and I'll be sharing the oatmeal raisin video with you guys. I'm so excited for you to try this. We're all excited because we've been working really, really hard on this one because you have requested it from us and it is an absolute hit. So we'll see you on Thursday.